Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to SST class. The last class we discussed about chapter 3, the northern and coastal plain. We already studied that about northern plains. The northern plains consist of three river basins. They are the Satluj River Basin, Ganga River Basin, and Brahmaputra River Basin. Today we will learn about the coastal plains. The plain land that lies along the coast is the coastal plain. The plain land that lies along the coast is the coastal plain. It is divided into two: western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Coastal plains are divided into two. First one, western coastal plain, and second one, eastern coastal plains. These plains stretch from Gujarat to West Bengal. These plains stretch from Gujarat to West Bengal. The two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The two plains meet at Kanyakumari. Then first one, western coastal plain. First one, western coastal plain. The western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. And it stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. It stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. The western coastal plains lies between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea and stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. Then it is divided into three parts. The western coastal plain is divided into three parts. First one, Gujarat coast. Second one, Konkan coast. Third one, Malabar coast. Western coastal plain is divided into three parts. First one, Gujarat coast. Second one, Konkan coast. Third one, Malabar coast. Then Gujarat coast is the north and the Konkan coast is the middle. Konkan coast is the middle and the Malabar coast is the south. Then lagoons or backwaters are found in Malabar coast. Then do you know what is lagoons? Lagoons are a lake that is separated from the sea by sand. Lagoons are a lake that is separated from the sea by sand. So many lagoons are found in Malabar coast. The western coastal plain is divided into three parts. First one, Gujarat coast is the north. Second one, the Konkan coast is the middle. And third one, Malabar coast is the south. Then next one is eastern coastal plain. The second plain is eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plain lies between the Eastern Ghats. The eastern coastal plains lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Here is Bay of Bengal. The eastern coastal plains lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. Eastern coastal plain stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. And it is wider than the western coastal plain. It is wider than the western coastal plain. It is wider than the western coastal plains. And it is divided into two parts. The eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts. They are the northern Sirgas and Coromandel coast. The eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts. First one, the northern Sirga, and second one, the Coromandel coast. Then next, life in this region. How is the lifestyle of this region? Then the two coastal plains cover some part of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. The two coastal plains cover part of the Gujarat, some part of the Gujarat, Maharashtra, here Madhya Maharashtra, and Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. Then fishing and farming are the important occupation of the people of this region. Fishing and farming are the important occupation of the people of this region. Then important crops cultivated here are rice and coconut. Rice and coconut are the main crops grown here. Then there are a number of ports that are used to export and import goods. There are number of ports are there. So this help us to export and import goods. Then first one about Gujarat. Then the people of Gujarat grow jowar, bajra, cotton and sugarcane. The important crops cultivated in Gujarat are jowar, bajra, cotton and sugarcane. Many people are traders. So many people are traders. Some are engaged in dairy farming and some people are also engaged in dairy farming. Along the coast, salt is made by drying seawater. So along the coast, salt is made by drying sea water. We already know salt is made from sea water. Okay. Then the people of Gujarat speak Gujarati. The language spoken here are Gujarati. People of Gujarat speak Gujarati. And Ras Garba is a popular folk dance of Gujarat. Ras Garba is the popular folk dance of Gujarat. So Gujarat is the important crops cultivated in Gujarat are jowar, bajra, cotton and sugarcane. And some people are also engaged in traders and some of engaged in dairy farming. Then there some people are also making salt and so many textile mills, oil refineries and diamond cut centers in Gujarat. The main language spoken in Gujarat, which is the main language? Gujarati. Gujarati is the main language spoken here. And important popular folk dance of Gujarat, Ras Garba. Ras Garba is the popular folk dance of Gujarat. So they open the textbook and underline the important facts. Okay. The next one is Goa. Goa is famous for cashews and mangoes. Goa is famous for cashews and mangoes. And iron ore and manganese deposits are also found in Goa. Underline, iron ore and manganese are also found in Goa. Vindaloo and chagatti are famous dishes, important dishes of Goa. Which are the important dishes of Goa? Underline, Vindaloo and chagatti are the famous dishes of Goa. And the important language spoken here, Kongani. Kongani is the important language spoken in Goa. Then we already know that is how many beautiful beaches are there. Big beaches are the important tourist attraction of Goa. St. Saviour's Church, Fort Aguada and Dudhsagar Falls are visited by many tourists. Important tourist places of these regions are St. Saviour's Church, Fort Aguada and Dudhsagar Falls. These are the important tourist places of Goa. Then next one is Kerala. We already know that about Kerala. Kerala is famous for rubber, tea, coffee and spices are the important crops of Kerala. The important crops of Kerala are first one rubber, second one tea, then coffee and spices. Apart from rice and coconut, coir making is an important activity. Coir making is an important activity of Kerala. The Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the popular classical dances. Which are the two classical forms of Kerala? Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the two popular classical dance form of Kerala. People speak Malayalam. We already know that important festival celebrated here. Which are the important festivals celebrated in Kerala? Onam and Vishu are popular festival. Onam and Vishu are popular festival celebrating here. The next one is Tamil Nadu. Tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of the Nilagiri hills. Tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of the Nilagiri hills. And Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. Underline there. Which are the important silk weaving centers of Tamil Nadu? Kanchipuram and Madurai. Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. And important food item of Tamil Nadu? Idli, dosa, upma and sambar. These are the main food item of Tamil Nadu. Then which are the main important dance form of Tamil Nadu? Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is the popular dance of Tamil Nadu. And Tamil is the main language. Tamil is the main language of Tamil. Tamil is the main language of Tamil Nadu. And Pongal is an important festival. It's a harvest festival. We already studied about Pongal in 3rd class. Okay. Then Tamil Nadu is famous for tea, coffee and Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. The people are fond of idli, dosa, upma and sambar. Bharatanatyam is a popular dance form of Tamil Nadu. Then main language spoken here are Tamil. Tamil is the main language spoken in Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the important festival celebrating here. The next one is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kondaballi toys. It's types of toys. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kondaballi toys and Kalangari work. Kalangari works means a type of hand painted cotton textile. Kalangari work means a type of hand painted cotton textile is called Kalangari. So mica and limestones are found in here. Then Kuchipudi is the important dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the popular dance form of Andhra Pradesh. And Visakhapatnam is an important seaport in Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kondaballi toys and Kalangari work. Kuchipudi is the main dance form. Visakhapatnam is the important seaport in Andhra Pradesh, and also mica and limestone are also found in this region. Next one is Odisha. Odisha is famous for its textiles, silverwork and handicraft items. Odisha is famous for textiles, silverwork and handicraft items. The coal, iron ore and manganese deposits are also found here. Coal, iron ore and manganese deposits are also found in Odisha. Cuttack and Rourkela are the important industrial cities of Odisha. Cuttack and Rourkela are the important industrial cities of Odisha. Odissi is a popular dance form. Odissi is a popular dance form of Odisha. The main language spoken is Odia. Odia. Dance Odissi. Language Odia. Odia is the important language spoken here. And Radha-yatra is an important festival celebrated Odisha. Radha-yatra is important festival celebrated Odisha. Chilika Lake is the important tourist place of Odisha. Is a bird sanctuary. Odisha is famous for textiles, silverworks and handicraft items. Coal, iron ore and manganese deposits are also found here. Cuttack and Rourkela are the important industrial cities of Odisha. Odissi is a popular dance form. Odia is the main language spoken here. Radha-yatra is an important festival. Chilika Lake is an important tourist attraction of this region. So now we completed the third chapter. Okay, then take your textbook and some textbook exercise is there. First one, write true or false. First one, find out the answers of text work. First question, the Bakra Dam has been built across river Ganga. Bakra Dam has been built across river Ganga. Is it true or false? Bakra Dam is false. Second one, the Humayun's tomb is in Delhi. Is it true or false? False. Third one, the beaches of Goa are very famous. True or false? The beaches of Goa are very famous. True. Fourth one, Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. Answer is true. Fifth one, Mohiniyattam is the classical dance of Andhra Pradesh. Mohiniyattam is the classical dance of Andhra Pradesh. It's false. Which is the classical dance of Andhra Pradesh? Kuchipudi. Then next one, write one word answers for each. First question, find silt deposited by rivers along its banks. Fine silt deposited by rivers along its bank is called a what? Alluvium. Answer is alluvium. Second one, the branch of river Ganga that flows in Bangladesh. The branch of river Ganga that flows in Bangladesh. Patma. Third one, the state famous for Satyavaranda. The state famous for Satyavaranda is Bihar. Fourth one, the western coastal plain faces the sea. Western coastal plain faces the sea. To see Arabian Sea. Fifth one, a popular festival of Kerala. Onam and Vishu. Onam or Vishu. Okay, now we completed the third chapter. Then one exercise for one activity is there, page number 251. Find out the answers of this activity. Okay, thank you.